One of my pet peeves for a number of years has been that I meet a lot of very intelligent women, professional women who are doing amazing work, and yet they're not recognized and they somehow get stuck at mid-management level. They don't rise to the top. So they're not at board level, they're not CEOs of companies. And there's no reason for it, except the fact that the opportunity is not provided for them, except for the fact that there are hurdles put in the way. So my work at Catalyst Labs over the last 3.5 years has been to work with cohorts of women who are at mid-management level and to build not only their capacity, but also to build their confidence that there is no reason they cannot rise to the top. Because it's that initial lack of confidence that keeps them from actually pursuing something higher within the organizations where they are, or if they are, if they've started their own companies, to be able to take those companies much further. So there are a lot of organizations we work with who support us. And then there are a lot of people within our ecosystem, both men and women, who work with us to make sure that difference comes about. And one of the interesting things we are always, especially me, I'm always talking about what the government is not doing. But one of the things that the government has done is that the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan has said every listed company should have at least one woman on their board. And you know what happens when companies are asked to do that? They said, we can't have one woman on the board. Where are the women? There are not enough women for us to put on the board. So I'll tell you later how we tackle that. But just food for thought, that when somebody says it can't be done, you should come up with a solution.